Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Meenakshi Innovative Ideas. Today our topic is about Module 16, Portfolio 16, Pre-Vocational Education. Create a lesson plan integration the pre-vocational skills with a theme of your choice or the subject. Select a topic or theme in of the subject you teach. Identify the pre-vocational skills that can be integrated in the topic. Write a lesson plan with all the activities that you be organized for teaching the pre-vocational skills that you have identified. Conduct some activities related to the themes in art, science, craft, agriculture, technology, etc. And prepare an e-portfolio with photographs. I choose the subject English, topic a birthday letter, class 5th. Learning outcomes. Children will be able to read and comprehend the reading text. Comprehend the reading text by answering the given questions. Understand the concept of antonyms and their usage. Read, write and pronounce the silent letters words. Use the question mark to the interrogative sentences. Understand and use adverbs of frequencies. Write an informal letter and a short biography. Sing and enjoy the poem with proper tune and action. Prepare greeting cards and exhibit their project work. Identifying the pre-vocational skills that can be integrated in the topic. For this topic, I identified the making of greeting card or birthday card. Writing of a lesson plan with all the activities that should be organizing for teaching the pre-vocational skills that are identified. Objectives. Making of a beautiful and innovative greeting card or birthday card. Comprehension. To prepare the card, collect the materials that needed. Writing of a plan for the process. Understanding the steps that should be followed. Collecting of information. To make the card, collect the information of preparation from mobile or any sources. The material. Color paper, scissors, gum. First, we have to take a colored paper and cut a white paper which is smaller than the colored paper and paste it on the colored paper. Make a color paper as a design which is in 3D. Cut it as 3D paper as shown. It will looks like this. Make a peacock like this. Paste the color paper which is in 3D effect on the paper which contained color paper and white paper. Paste the both sides on the color paper and white paper and also attach peacock to the paper at the tail of the peacock. It will looks like this. And decorate as your wish. The greeting card is ready. It will looks like this. If you decorate well, it is useful to give for your friends' birthdays and New Year cards. Next, conducting of some activities related to the themes of in art, science, craft, agriculture, technology, etc. and prepare an e-portfolio with photographs. For this, I choose art which is related to farmer's problem. The only person who is not selfish, who works for the others, who spends his life in the fields to feed others, who should accept the truth without we are not alive. That is farmer. This is a beautiful art of farmer which looks very nice. This is a pencil art of farmer. It shows the problems of farmer very briefly. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Meenakshi Innovative Ideas. Thank you.